Hello guys, review Tecno Camon 40. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage, model CM5 and Emerald Lake green color. Okay, open box, look completion. We have 50 megapixels main camera, MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate, IP66 and 120 Hz display. Look device, looks nice. Okay, and look completion to the device. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, triple camera on the back side. On this side power button and wall buttons. On this side AI button, Tecno AI. Downside Type-C, slot for SIM card and speaker. Turn on device. Device turn on. Open settings and look. PO version, High OS version 15.1.0 and Android 15. Battery 5200 mAh, Full HD Plus display, Android 15, okay, and display AMOLED. Okay, open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have GPU Mali G57 MC2 and look results. Single core score, multi-core score results and GPU test results. Close this. Look into the benchmark. Perfect. And run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load and game works on the max and high frame rate and high graphic level. Very good gameplay. Okay, perfect gameplay. Close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. We have AA cam. Video we can record in 2K 30 FPS or Full HD 60 FPS, high FPS. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.